how to buy XCN token on Bitunix. So before we start, this is not financial advice. I'm not professional or economic expert. Before investing in any project that you found on my channel, please do your own research. So as you can see, this token is available on COINEX. To be able to buy this token on Bitunix, click on Max here, and you will be able to see this Bitunix here. Click on this pair next to it. Now after you click on it, you will be able to relax to your Bitunix accounts, and after that what you need to do, scroll down until you find this buy option here. Now if you click on limit order, you can here type how much you want to buy of that token. So here you will be able to see how much you will be pay of that USDT on your account to be able to buy it. Now after that, click here on buy XCN, and you will be able to buy this token on your account. Now if you select the market order, you can drag this to set how much of percentage that you want to use of that USDT on your account and use it to buy this token. After that, click on buy XCN and you will be able to buy this token. So if, as you can see, this is how to buy XCN token on Bitunix. If you found this very helpful, please like and subscribe. See you next video.